Good morning, everyone. I am Mifta Hujana and I am moderator for webinar today. And we're going to talk about English as main language for artists to go international. And today we have Miss Anna as our speakers. Miss Anna was born in Pangkal Pinang, October 20, 1998. She was Miss Anna graduated from Oxford University and now as a lecturer in Bangka Belitung University. So she used to work in Korea as an English teacher at SM Entertainment. And now we will go to the presentation to Miss Anna. Time is yours.
Thank you for the opportunity. Now I give my speaking back to the moderator.
Thank you, Miss Anna. We will go ahead take some time for the question. So anyone who want ask some question, you can ask through and unmute your microphone or just type it on question box. Okay, now we have one question from Brad Monster. So he asked, have you do you have a struggle to learn some artists in Korean struggle have a struggle in teaching English, as we know English is not their main language. Miss Anna, time is yours.
Yeah, they've been struggling for teaching them actually because they are not fluent in English, and also they come from abroad, so it's gonna be hard. And there's a lot of struggling thing that happened to me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Anna. So that's all the question from webinar today. Um, so Miss Anna, is there anything else you want to cover before wrap up?
No, I think we're good. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Miss Anna, for joining us today. We appreciate you being here and sharing your experience to become a teacher teach English teacher in other country where it's not English as main language. So we will see you next. So the conclusion for webinar today is uh, actually every country has a different struggling in teaching English, include Korea. So as we know, Korean is not English as their main language. So and their culture. So Miss Anna have some struggling to teach them. So just here's for today, and see you next in our next webinar. Thank you all. Bye.